Welcome to Kids Edutainment channel. Hi, welcome to my video. Today, we're going to learn something super cool, how to add a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. Are you ready? Great. Let's get started. A 2-digit number has two parts, a tens place and a ones place. For example, 23. The 2 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place. Can you say it with me? Tens place, ones place. Great job! Now, let's add 5. Plus means to put together of add. When we add two numbers, we get their sum. Let's check it out. The ones place first. 3 plus 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So, 3 plus 5 equals 8. We put the 8 in the ones place. Now tens column, there is only 1 in the top, but no number in bottom. That means there is nothing to add. So we bring down the 2. The answer is 28. Great. Let's try one together. What is 31 plus 6? Let's count the ones place. The ones place is 1, and we add 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The ones place is 7, and the tens place stays 3, so 31 plus 6 equals 37. Yay! You did it! Now it's your turn. Let's try a few. I'll give you a problem, and you solve it. What is 42 plus 3? The answer is 45. Great job. Let's do another one. What is 50 plus 4? The answer is 54. You're amazing at this. Wow, friends, you've learned so much today about adding a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more math adventures. See you next time.